Guys, I'm here with Adam at Redneck Country Club at the jet landing event, and Adam has been using our system for a while. Adam, could you share with us your experience with our tool?
Yeah, so I love the tool. It's really been very useful for me as a new investor. I don't have access to the MLS, so running comps was something that was a problem. Now that I have the tool, I can run comps. It allowed me to secure my first deal, and I'm going to market with it and look to, because of the comps that I was able to run and get it for the right price, I was able to secure a deal that's probably going to profit me somewhere north of $50,000.
Oh, fantastic. And by the way, we can also help you market your deal to Adam. Thank you so much. And guys, our deal analysis suite is only $15 a month, and it's for unlimited comps all over Texas. So make sure you take advantage of this special right now. Thank you, guys. If you want to learn how to analyze deals just like us, make sure you check out this webinar on how to run comps. The link is below. We'll also introduce to you this new tool called FastCMA, which is a high-end professional comps tool that allows you to pull comps and analyze comps just like the experts. Make sure you check it out.